Well, asset managers are going where the investors are, and we're hearing that advisors, we're seeing the data, but we're seeing that advisors, according to Verify, are increasingly turning to ETFs. So we have a firm like Neuberger Berman that has expanded its product lineup. They launched a new product today. They've rolled out a suite of products throughout the year. T. Rowe Price is another firm that's had success bringing some of their best and brightest into the ETF world from the mutual fund world. It's just exciting. This is where investors are focused. It's where the asset managers are focused too.
What can we extrapolate about the flows into ETFs this year to really give us a sense of animal spirits in the market right now?
Well, we're seeing optimism towards equities. We've seen greater bullishness. We at Verify hosted an event last week where we asked investors and advisors where they were leaning heading into 2025, and almost 75% were bullish on equities as opposed to bearish on equities. Now, we gave them two choices. The market's up roughly 30%. But we're seeing Vanguard 500, $100 billion alone has gone into that ETF. IVV, a second most popular ETF this year. We've seen core S&P 500 products, but you mentioned animal spirits. There's, of course, leveraged ETFs that are tied to single securities. We've seen options-based strategies. It's a great time in the ETF marketplace.
We talk about some of the most overcrowded trades right now in the market, and it has been long Mag 7 to this juncture that continues to hold strong and really outpace. But if you are an investor looking for the broadening to take effect into other sectors and areas of the market, what are the ways to play that from an ETF perspective? So
small caps is a great opportunity for investors to participate. And there's some actively managed products. I was mentioning Neuberger Berman earlier. They have a small and mid-cap product, NBSM, that's new this year, again, bringing some of their best ideas. T. Rowe Price has a ticker TMSL, TMSL, as I like to say out loud, in terms of saying tickers together. That has been gathering assets. We've seen actively managed small cap ETFs, small and mid cap ETFs start to gain traction. That's a great way to see the market broadening out.
Yeah.